If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am so happy to introduce you to the Mercury. This is originally a backpack, but I have changed it into a convertible bag. So this is the Mercury convertible backpack by Kaur Threads. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. As you can see, she is a large bag. There is also a smaller version. It's about half the size of this one if you wanted more of a mini bag, mini backpack type thing. So many things about here. There's a hidden pocket under here. There's a hidden pocket right along there. Two side pockets. On the back, I have a zipper and I have a luggage sleeve. This can also be made into a slip pocket if you didn't want a luggage sleeve. A crossbody strap. Now this crossbody strap, I have made it convertible. So with the same strap, you can click it onto these D-rings on the bottom. When it's at its longest length, of course, it's completely body inclusive. So it's made for all sizes of people, all body shapes. Put it in through this O-ring here. Trying to do this one-handed. Easier to do with two hands. And clip onto the other side here. And it makes it into a backpack. I also have short handbag handles here that drop down and out of the way. And of course, the crossbody strap can also be made to a shorter length to make it a shoulder strap. On the inside, oh my gosh, this has so much room. So it's zipped at the top, but the sides are open here. And the reason the sides are open here is we've got two, I don't know if you can see those, bottle holders. So I put two in this one because this one is for me and it'll hold my Yeti Rambler as well as my Yeti coffee mug on either side. It's got two slip pockets, a zipper pocket, and a laptop sleeve right here. Now, this pocket is big for my 13-inch laptop, so I'm pretty sure you can fit a fairly large laptop in there if you wanted to. This is my new travel/work bag. Just love it. Trying to show those drink holders a little bit more in there. It's kind of hard to see. It is a big bag. Anyways, if you would like to order one of these and you are one of my clients, you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.